Timex Unisex Weekender in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 20,888 ratings and 8,828 reviews. 89% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said it's a watch. I bought this watch because I googled cheap watches, and this was the first result that came up. I wasn't expecting much. I was about to start a job that was predominantly outside, and I needed a reliable way to tell time. I didn't have the money yet for something really nice and more suited for the outdoors, and I figured this would get me to my first paycheck before breaking. Because I had brought the watch with replacing it already in mind, I didn't treat it with care whatsoever, going about my daily business as I pleased. Surprisingly, my first paycheck came and went, but the watch did not break. I figured, hey, it's probably going to break soon anyway, so I might as well wait until it does and get my full use out of it. This damn thing lasted for almost 2 years. I had no idea how it lasted through everything. I put it through extreme temperatures, sub-zero F to over 110 F, an industrial fryer, still have a nasty scar, exploding bags of chili, showers, pools, unexpected barn animal fluids, mud, snow, dropping it out of a moving car, by accident, throwing it off a cliff, for fun, and the never-ending dirt and dust. The face is all scratched to hell with my initials carved into the back, the band is faded and slightly smells of French fries, and there's a huge scrape on the edge where I nearly died while rock climbing, but the face still lights up, and the hands still tell time. Revisiting the page now, it seems it's gone up in price by a bit. But I definitely got my money's worth, and it still hasn't broken. If you don't want any bells and whistles and just want to watch, this is for you. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Bought 2 of these watches. Overall, I love this watch. The simplicity is my appeal, but it hasn't lasted me that long. The first time I purchased this watch was back in May 2018. It lasted me about a month before my little brother stole it, and I bought another in June 2018. Fast forward to January and they both died. Oh well, I'll buy another one. I bought a third watch February 2019, and it died a week ago, July 2019. Overall, through 3 watches I haven't had them last more than 6 months, if I'm unlucky, but I can't even reach out to support because their website is always down and I work during their hours of operation. Overall, the watch fits my aesthetic, but the watch hasn't provided the longevity I want. That's it.
Today we're reviewing and unboxing the olive green Timex Unisex Weekender 38mm watch. It has an adjustable 20mm nylon slip-thru strap which fits up to an 8-inch wrist in circumference. The case finish is polished and it has a cream dial with full Arabic numerals and 24-hour military time. It has a mineral glass crystal and lights up at night as it has an indigo light-up watch dial. The great part of this watch is that it also is water resistant to 30 meters, which is about 100 feet. In general, this withstands splashes and brief immersions in water, but it's not suitable for swimming or bathing. This makes a great knocking around watch and it makes a perfect birthday gift. Hope this was helpful in making your decision in purchasing this product.